Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy an e-commerce store with Shopify, complete guide step by step clearly. To deploy an e-commerce store with Shopify, start by navigating to the Shopify website. Click on the Start Free Trial button to begin. Enter your email address, password, and a unique store name. After filling in your details, click Create Your Store. You will be taken to a setup wizard that prompts you for more information about your business. Provide your address and select your business type. Once you complete the wizard, you will enter the Shopify dashboard. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with various features. To choose a theme, click on the Online Store tab on the left. Select Themes to view default themes available. Browse the theme store and choose one that suits your brand. Click on Add to install your selected theme. Once added, customize your theme by clicking Customize. Modify the layout, colors, fonts, and images to reflect your brand. Next, navigate to Products in the sidebar. Click on Add Product to begin listing items for sale. Fill in the product details, including title, description, price, and images. Ensure to optimize each product description for SEO. After entering all details, click Save. Repeat this process for all products you wish to offer. Once your products are listed, go to the Settings tab at the bottom of the sidebar. Select Payments to set up payment processing options. Choose from various payment providers compatible with Shopify. Follow the prompts to integrate your chosen payment gateway. Next, navigate to Shipping under the Settings tab. Set your shipping rates and methods based on your business model. If you plan to sell internationally, ensure to adjust settings accordingly. Then, return to the Shopify dashboard and click on Online Store. Select Preferences to configure your store's SEO settings. Enter your store title, meta description, and social media links. Next, go to the Domains section. To buy a new domain, click on Buy a new domain and follow the prompts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.